Hi, this is Five Tails with Mike, and we are here at Algonquin Park, and we are on the trail of Peck Lake, and we have Mr. Peanut joining us today. Mr. Peanut, what are you doing? Mr. Peanut's found all kinds of stuff he likes. We'll highlight the trip, and off we go. Come on, Peanut. Peanut, come on. Peanut, let's go, buddy. Come on. No, he's got an animal there. Hi, Peanut. He's saying hi. This is our walk-in. Peanut's got to stay on a leash the whole time. It is the rules.
This way, buddy.
Absolutely beautiful here. It's got a little bit of a rough path down. But this is, I would call, quite not too hard of a trail. It's a little bit difficult towards the end when you go all uphill, but it is absolutely beautiful and stunning. And the registry book is a piece of paper. Oh, Peanut! Peanut's all wrapped up! Come here, Peanut! Off we go, Peanut. It is a difficult walk, but it's not a hard walk. It's just obstacles and stuff. And this is Peck Lake. How does Peck Lake taste, Peanut? Looks like Peck Lake tastes pretty good. He is not a water dog yet. Let's see if we can make him over the time. Here we got a pretty part. Nice little stream. Mr. Peanut found it. Oh. There we go. Peanut has never been out in the wild before.
Yeah, look at him go.
And they're always having just a grand old time.
He's loving life.
This dog never leaves my side. And he is so happy he's gone. This is the only dog I have that I will let actually go like this. Hey, buddy. Mr. Peanut. What's up, buddy? Hi, Peanut.
Wait.
You having fun? Don't get too far ahead of us. It's not a huge lake, but a very nice lake. Peanut, you gonna swim in there? Go on, Peanut, go for a swim. Don't think Peanut knows he's been in water before. Another absolute stunning. Where are you going? I see your big happy smile. I see your big happy smile, but you still have to stay with us. Or you get the leash. Okay, come on. Let's go. We'll go over here because it's a little windy, but they have an absolute beautiful boardwalk here. Have seen animals down here, but at the moment it's a little high. My dogs once jumped in here and I had to pull them out of the mud. So it's way higher. We're in the spring, so get more water. Just an absolute beauty. Does Peanut like it? Is Peanut having fun? Hi, buddy. Get a nice walk through the forest and right beside the lake. Oh, there's our guy. People swim over here. I don't know why. There's a lot of leeches in this lake. Come on, Peanut.
Remember we used to go around there? Down there?
Yeah, and the other one. It's just too full right now.
Yeah.
The water's too high. You can get a drink? Mr. Peanut gonna get a drink? Again, absolute beautiful walk. And on skill level, I'd say this is a low one. I mean, there is a little bit of rough walking, but it's pretty easy and pretty short. Now we have a lovely walk through the woods. None of that shabby man-made stuff. Actual real woods. You gotta stay closer. You gotta stay. I know you're all excited. Have to drag you around the street, but here you're running away on us. Ooh, this is a little bit treacherous. So I guess when I say easy level is on the amount of physical exertion. Not so much the terrain, I guess, because almost every one except for maybe one or two trails in all of Algonquin Park are rugged trails. I think, yeah. Well, we'll take you on the boardwalk. We'll do that with Blaze because that's about as far as he can walk without dying. Have to make sure it's a nice cool day. Because last time we tried that with our last dog de Bordeaux, she had to lie in the river for like half an hour to cool down. Dog de Bordeaux do not like heat. Hey, where you going, buddy? Got a nice little creek here, which Peanut will be drinking. This is usually just mud. There he goes. There goes Mr. Peanut. He's having a drink. He's got his paws in there. Have a drink. No. It's actually a nice, beautiful walk beside a creek here. Now this only is flowing so high because it's spring. Mr. Peanut getting a drink. The views on this trail are quite worth it though. Absolute beauty. Oh, got another little walkway. Oh no, Peanut's stuck in a tree. There's my little Peanut. Hi, Mr. Peanut. Where's your tongue?
So good. He's so good.
There goes Mr. Peanut. Off he goes, exploring again. This whole walk is right beside the lake, so it's kind of nice. You ever lose sight of the lake. He just went for a drink. That's it. Woolly mammoth drink. Somebody got a woolly mammoth, threw him in the lake. You waiting for us, buddy? Fun, Peanut? Oh, I'm sinking in the moss. That's the first time I've seen you in the water. One little hard part going up the stairs. They like to put their stairs steep. Peanut's gonna take a different way.
Oh no.
Peanut took the shortcut. And here we are at the end of the trail. Not too bad, not really tired. Peanut's a little tired. And that's about it. Tried to go down there already. Never looks right on film. But it is quite steep and full of pine. There it goes. Anyways, this was the Peck Lake Trail at Algonquin Park. I hope you enjoyed it.